Have you ever looked at a piece of code and felt completely lost? If you've ever wondered what zip res means in Python, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into this specific line of code to unravel its mystery. I totally get it. Python can be tricky, especially when you're just starting out. Many new programmers have faced the same confusion when encountering the zip function and the asterisk operator. You're in good company. Let's break down the user's question. They asked, what does the asterisk do when used as a prefix, and what does the zip function do? This is a great question, and understanding it will help clarify how data is manipulated in Python. To understand this, we need to look at what the zip function does. Essentially, zip takes multiple iterables and combines them into tuples. The asterisk, when used in front of an iterable, unpacks it. So when you see zip res, it means you're unpacking the list res into separate arguments for the zip function. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand zip and the asterisk, but you'll also see how they can be incredibly useful in your Python projects. To understand what zip with an asterisk does, let's first look at the zip function itself. The zip function takes multiple iterables and combines them into a single iterable of tuples. Now, the asterisk is used to unpack the list of lists. In this case, res is a list of lists where each inner list contains data from the CSV file. The asterisk allows zip to take each inner list as a separate argument. When the user calls zip with unpacked res, it effectively transposes the data. This means that the first elements of each inner list are grouped together, the second elements are grouped together, and so on. Regarding the difference between Python 2.7 and Python 3.6, in Python 2.7, zip returns a list of tuples, while in Python 3.6, it returns a zip object, which is an iterator. This means that in Python 3.6, you need to convert it to a list to see the results. Fun fact, the zip function is named after the way a zipper works, bringing together two sides to create a single cohesive unit. Just like a zipper, zip in Python brings together data. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that zip with an asterisk, or star operator, transposes a matrix, which is a two-dimensional array or list. The star operator unpacks the rows of the matrix, and zip combines them column-wise. They illustrate this with an example showing how zip transforms a list of tuples into a new list of tuples, effectively mirroring the matrix on its diagonal. Here's a pro tip. Always check which version of Python you're using, as it can affect how functions like zip behave. This knowledge will save you from confusion down the line. And there you have it. You've learned what zip res means, how the asterisk works, and the differences between Python versions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Python tips and tricks.